In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JotForm to WordPress. Whether you're looking to embed a contact form, an order form, or any other JotForm you've created, the process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your website's functionality. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to navigate over to JotForm and open the specific form you'd like to add to your WordPress site. On the JotForm dashboard, once you've selected the form, look for the Publish button. Clicking this will take you to various options related to sharing and embedding your form. It's important to note that this is where you can create different types of links and codes to suit your needs. Once you're in the Publish section, direct your attention to the Embed tab. Here you'll find several embedding options, but for WordPress, using the iframe embed is recommended. It's generally the most compatible with WordPress sites, minimizing potential conflicts with your theme or plugins. Click on iframe embed, and you should see a code that looks something like an HTML snippet. Now click on Copy Code to get this piece of code ready for pasting on your WordPress site. Next, you'll move over to your WordPress site. You'll begin by viewing all your existing pages. Simply head to the Pages section and click on All Pages. This will present you with a list of all the pages available on your WordPress site. Identify and select the specific page you want to add your JotForm to, whether it's your contact page, order page, or any other relevant section. Once you've chosen the right page, click Edit to bring up your page editor. Now within your WordPress page editor, you'll want to add a new block. Look for the plus sign, which represents adding a new block or section to your page. Click on this icon. After that, you'll see various block options. Choose Custom HTML from the list. This block will allow you to paste HTML codes, such as the one you've just copied from JotForm. With the custom HTML block in place, simply paste your JotForm iframe code in the provided space. Double check that the code is correct and hasn't been altered during the transfer. This small step is crucial to ensure that the form will appear and function correctly on your site. The final step is to make your changes live, and it's quite simple. You just need to click on Update or Publish, depending on whether you're updating an existing page or publishing a new one. And just like that, your form is now live on your website, seamlessly integrated through WordPress. Congratulations, you've successfully added a JotForm to your WordPress site, enhancing its interactivity and user engagement. Remember, embedding forms can be a powerful way to capture information and streamline your processes, so take advantage of the flexibility JotForm provides. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for support in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy form building!